In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Hostinger, a step-by-step guide that will help you navigate through the process with ease. Whether you're new to web hosting or just need a refresher, this guide is designed to be straightforward, providing clear instructions to help you get your files uploaded to your Hostinger account without a hitch. First things first, you'll want to go to Hostinger's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Hostinger's homepage. Once the page loads, you'll need to access your account, so click on the login button and enter your credentials. After successfully logging in, you're ready to start the file upload process. Next, direct your attention to the top navigation menu where you'll see multiple options. You're going to want to click on the Websites button. This section is where you manage all your hosted websites in one convenient place. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to quickly locate and select the project you're working on. Once you've clicked on websites, the next step is to go to the dashboard for your specific site. This will provide access to all the tools and settings available for your site. From the dashboard, look for the Edit Website button. This is where the customization magic happens. It's worth noting that this step is crucial because it allows you to directly change content and structure within your site. By clicking Edit Website, you open up the Builder interface, which is a powerful tool for making your website uniquely yours. Now that you've accessed the Builder, the next thing you want to do is click on Elements. The Elements menu is your gateway to adding new content types to your website, such as text blocks, buttons, or, importantly for our purposes, images and galleries. With the Elements tab open, you're presented with a variety of options that allow you to enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your site. Here you have the option to add an image or a gallery. This feature is particularly handy if you're looking to make your website more visually engaging or if you have a portfolio you'd like to showcase. By selecting either image or gallery, you can then choose the files you want to upload. Simply select the images from your computer, drag and drop them into the upload area, or use the file picker to locate them. Remember to save your changes once the upload is complete to ensure everything looks just right on your site. And there you have it, a straightforward way to upload files in Hostinger. By following these steps, you can manage and enhance your website with ease, bringing your creative ideas to life online. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Hostinger website uploads.